So when you first receive the machine, you could go to this side and to supply the power supply. The power supply should be 220 volt one phase, and also supply the compressed air. So after you have supplied these two, here you will also need to fix the hot date printer. So for the hot date printer, you have one plug here to supply the power, and also two air pipes. You will need to fix it like this, to plug in like this. And then after all that, you can turn on the machine. Turn on the machine, you have this screen, and you enter English screen and enter round bottles, and you have this one. So when you are in this one, you could press start to start automatic labeling. Now after you start, the machine will automatically feed in the tubes to it, and the machine will automatically finish all the rest. And for the labeling, you can make your label roll like this. And we also have a figure to show you how to make the labeling. You can see. So it's the same with this one, this one. So the main parameter, if you do not change the tube, you do not need to change. So you can see all the parameters are here. And if you have some machine stopped or you have some alarm, you can refer to the I/O screen to see which sensor is not detecting well, and to make the troubleshooting. So it's the main parameters. Also, you have an inverter speed, and here you need to set a bigger production so that when you have the automatic running, it can keep running. The others are the separating tube speed or turn motor speed, and usually you do not need to change this. So here you have a counter. So if the counter have exceeded the set parameter, it will not run automatically.